previous person was an American man, and he broke the Guinness World Record in 3 years and 3 months to all 196 countries. So I have 5 countries left, so it'll be about 17 or 18 months by the time I finish. I'm traveling to 196 countries, 193 sovereign nations, plus Taiwan, Kosovo, and Palestine, in order to break a Guinness World Record for the fastest person to travel to all sovereign nations, and the first documented female to do so as well. I've been on the road right now for 16 months, and Pakistan is country number 191, so 5 left.
World has been expressing concerns about Pakistan's security. Was this in your mind before traveling to this country? I mean, particularly I'm asking about the terrorism-related incidents.
Oh, you know, I didn't have a worry in the world about coming to Pakistan. I wasn't worried at all. I was really excited to come to Pakistan. If you asked me that maybe before this trip, maybe I would have been a little bit apprehensive. But after having visited, you know, Syria or Somalia and Afghanistan and North Korea, some of these countries, Pakistan can't even compare. You can walk around, you can drive around. It's not nearly as bad as over there. But it is a shame that there's a stigma associated with Pakistan, especially with Westerners thinking all these things. But it's one of the most shocking places I've been, where I've come here and it's been completely different than what I thought it was going to be in the most positive and uplifting way. So I found that it's just been a really positive experience. People have been very kind-hearted, very hospitable as well, and it's beautiful over here. So I highly encourage tourism, and I'm definitely looking forward towards being, you know, an ambassador for peace in Afghanistan or in Pakistan as well.
You also traveled in Afghanistan. How was that experience?
In Afghanistan? Yeah, I mean, that was a really, a little bit of a challenging experience emotionally for me. It was a very eye-opening experience, but I really felt the kind-heartedness of people there as well. I walked around the streets. I had a translator with me, but I walked around the streets and just talked to people. Talked to men, and I kind of filmed them a little bit, asked them questions. What's your favorite part about Afghanistan? What's your favorite thing? What do you think of Americans? Just to get a general idea. And one of the most powerful handshakes I had in my life was actually in Kabul, where I said, "Hi, my name is Cassie." Went to go shake hands with a man on the street, and he put his jacket over his, and I had to shake his jacket. So it was just kind of an interesting experience. But you know, they all laughed and they all took me in and were very kind, and so it was a really good experience.